Good morning, students. Hope that by the grace of Almighty, all of you are fine.
My dear students, today I want to solve a very simple math from chapter number 5, that is financial statement of joint stock company. Okay, dear students, the authorized capital of IVA Company Limited is 3 lakh taka divided into 30,000 shares of taka 10 is. Okay, dear student, then a trial balance 31st December 2015. My dear students, mind it, financial statement of joint stock companies precondition is a trial balance and some adjustment. Okay, dear students. However, opening stock of goods 30,000 taka, purchase 50,000 taka, sales 81,800 taka, return debit side 400 taka, that is return of sales, and credit side 600 taka, that is return of purchase. Okay, dear student, carries inward 2000 taka, salary 4400 taka, stationery 400 taka, insurance 11,000 taka, discount debit side 3,000 taka, that is discount paid, and in credit side 1,000 taka, that is discount received. Okay, dear students, commission debit side 2,000 taka, that is commission paid, and credit side 5,000 taka, that is commission received. Okay, dear student, interest on bank deposit 500 taka, credit side, that is it's one kind of non-operating income. Interest on debenture debit side 1100 taka, it's one kind of non-operating expenses. Cash and bank balance 25,600 taka, 10% debenture 11,000 taka, and 10% investment 1 lakh taka. Share capital 1,30,000 taka. Okay, dear students, now some adjustments. Closing stock valued taka 50,000, but its cost price 51,500 taka. My dear students, according to conservatism rules, which amount is less, that amount will be counted. Okay, dear students. Number 2, carries outstanding 900 taka. Number 3, sales of taka 10,000 but not recorded. Adjustment number 4, bad debt provision is to be created at the rate of 5%. Okay, dear students. Now requirements. Calculate the amount of bad debt expenses. Requirement B, gross profit or gross loss, and requirement C, net profit or net loss. Okay, dear students, now let's go to solve the math. Now solution. At first, requirement A, that is calculation the amount of bad debt expenses. My dear student, we know from first year the formula of bad debt expenses is old bad debt plus new bad debt plus new provision for bad debt minus old provision for bad debt. Okay, dear students, here old bad debt 0 taka plus new bad debt also 0 taka plus new provision for bad debt 500 taka, total 500 taka, minus old provision for bad debt 0 taka. So bad debt expenses is 500 taka. Okay, dear student, now requirement B, that is calculation of gross profit. So IVA Company Limited comprehensive income statement within bracket partial for the year ended 31st December 2015. Okay, dear students, at first we have to calculate net sales. So sales 81,800 taka plus unrecorded sales from adjustment 10,000 taka, total 91,800 taka, minus sales return from debit side of trial balance 400 taka is equal to 91,400 taka. Okay, dear student, this is the net sales. Now less cost of goods sold. Formula is opening stock plus net purchase plus other direct expenses minus closing stock. Okay, dear students, here opening stock 30,000 taka plus net purchase, here purchase 50,000 taka minus purchase return 600 taka. So net purchase 49,400 taka plus other direct expenses, that is carriage inward 2,000 taka plus due 900 taka, total 2,900 taka. Okay, dear students, so 30,000 taka plus 49,400 taka plus 2,900 taka, total 82,300 taka. Okay, dear students, less closing stock 50,000 taka. So cost of goods sold 32,300 taka. Now net sales 91,400 taka minus cost of goods sold 32,300 taka, that is gross profit 59,100 taka. Okay, dear student, this is the solution of requirement B. My dear students, if you want to solve the math from this chapter properly, you should memorize the formula and guidelines properly. Otherwise, it's not possible to solve the math easily. Okay, dear students. However, now requirement C, that is comprehensive income statement for the year ended 31st December 2015. Here gross profit from requirement B 59,100 taka. Add indirect operating income. Here discount received 1,000 taka from credit side of trial balance. Commission received 5,000 taka from credit side of trial balance. Total 6,000 taka. Now 59,100 taka plus 6,000 taka, that is 65,100 taka. Okay, dear students. Now less indirect operating expenses. Here salary 4,400 taka, stationery 400 taka, insurance 11,000 taka, discount paid 3,000 taka, commission paid 2,000 taka, bad debt expenses from requirement A 500 taka. Total expenses 21,300 taka. So 65,100 taka minus 21,300 taka. Now operating profit 43,800 taka. Okay, dear students. Now add indirect non-operating income. Here interest on bank deposit 500 taka and interest on investment 1 lakh into 10%, that is 10,000 taka. Total 10,500 taka. So 43,800 taka plus 10,500 taka, total 54,300 taka. Okay, dear students. Now less indirect non-operating expenses. Here interest on debenture 1,100 taka, that is 54,300 taka minus 1,100 taka. So 53,200 taka. This is called net profit. Okay, dear student, thank you so much.